Welcome to my channel. Imagine this. A single nutrient that supports your digestion, regulates blood sugar, reduces the risk of heart disease, helps you maintain a healthy weight, and even keeps your skin glowing. This nutrient isn't a fad or a trendy superfood, it's dietary fiber. Yet despite its incredible health benefits, most people aren't getting nearly enough fiber in their diets. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, only about 5% of Americans meet the recommended daily intake of fiber. With such a significant gap, it's no wonder that digestive issues, heart disease, and obesity are on the rise. But what exactly makes fiber so important, and how can you ensure you're getting enough to truly unlock its health benefits? Let's take a deep dive into why fiber is crucial for your overall well-being and how to integrate more of it into your life. 1. Types of fiber. Fiber is often categorized into two main types, each of which plays a unique role in promoting health. A. Soluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance in the digestive system. This type of fiber has several key benefits, including reducing cholesterol levels and regulating blood sugar. Sources of soluble fiber: oats, barley, beans, lentils, apples, carrots, and citrus fruits. Health benefits: lowering cholesterol. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the gut, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that consuming 10 grams of soluble fiber daily can lower LDL, bad cholesterol, by 5 to 10%. Blood sugar control. Soluble fiber slows the absorption of sugar, which helps to stabilize blood glucose levels. This is particularly important for people with diabetes. For instance, research from the Journal of Nutrition found that individuals who increased their intake of soluble fiber had improved blood sugar control. B. Insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and adds bulk to stool, helping to move food through the digestive system more efficiently. Sources of insoluble fiber: whole grains, nuts, seeds, potatoes, and most vegetables, especially the skins. Health benefits: digestive health. Insoluble fiber helps prevent constipation by adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements. The World Gastroenterology Organization notes that a high-fiber diet reduces the risk of gastrointestinal diseases, including diverticulosis and hemorrhoids. Gut health. Insoluble fiber feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut, contributing to a healthy microbiome, which is essential for overall health. Recent studies indicate that a healthy microbiome plays a critical role in immune function, mood regulation, and even weight management. 2. Health benefits of fiber. Fiber's benefits extend far beyond digestion. Let's look at how this humble nutrient can transform your overall health. Digestive health. Fiber is often referred to as nature's broom because it helps sweep the digestive tract clean. It plays a crucial role in preventing constipation by softening stool and increasing its bulk, making bowel movements easier. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, a high-fiber diet can reduce the incidence of constipation by up to 30%. Heart health. Fiber has been shown to have significant cardiovascular benefits. It lowers cholesterol levels by binding to bile acids in the digestive system, which are then excreted. The body must then use cholesterol to make more bile acids, effectively lowering blood cholesterol levels. According to the American Heart Association, a fiber-rich diet can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 40%. A case study involving the Nurses' Health Study revealed that women who consumed 25 grams or more of fiber daily had a 30% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who consumed less than 15 grams. The connection between fiber and heart health is particularly strong when the fiber comes from whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. C. Weight management. Fiber also plays a significant role in weight management. It adds bulk to meals without adding extra calories, helping you feel full for longer. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed a higher fiber diet were more likely to lose weight and maintain it long-term. The feeling of fullness from fiber-rich foods also leads to fewer cravings and less frequent snacking. D. Blood sugar regulation. For those at risk of or living with diabetes, fiber is essential in managing blood sugar levels. Soluble fiber in particular slows the absorption of sugar, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. Research published in The Lancet Diabetes and Endocrinology showed that increasing dietary fiber intake could reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 18%. Cancer prevention studies have shown that fiber may help protect against certain types of cancer, especially colorectal cancer. A 2017 meta-analysis published in The Lancet concluded that every 10-gram increase in fiber intake was associated with a 10 to 20% reduced risk of colon cancer. Fiber's protective effect is thought to be due to its ability to promote regular bowel movements and its fermentation in the colon, which produces beneficial short-chain fatty acids that have anti-cancer properties. 3. Fiber-rich foods. To reap the maximum benefits of fiber, it's important to incorporate fiber-rich foods into your diet. Here are some of the best sources. Fruits, berries, pears, apples with skin, oranges, bananas, vegetables, broccoli, carrots, sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, spinach, whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat bread, barley. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts. Incorporating these foods into your meals doesn't have to be complicated. For example, start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries, or snack on a handful of almonds. Adding a side of steamed broccoli or a salad made with spinach and beans is an easy way to increase fiber intake. 4. Recommended daily fiber intake. The recommended daily intake of fiber varies based on age and gender. Adult women, 21-25 grams per day. Adult men, 30-38 grams per day. To achieve these targets, aim to fill half of your plate with fiber-rich vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. For example, a meal of grilled chicken, quinoa, and roasted vegetables could easily provide you with 10-15 grams of fiber. Additionally, replacing refined grains with whole grains and choosing high-fiber snacks like fruits or nuts will help you meet your fiber goals. 5. Risks of low-fiber intake. Failing to consume enough fiber can lead to a variety of health problems. In the short term, it can cause constipation, bloating, and gas. Over time, inadequate fiber intake is associated with an increased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. According to a report from the World Health Organization, a diet low in fiber is one of the leading risk factors for heart disease worldwide. Furthermore, a lack of fiber can lead to weight gain due to reduced satiety and increased hunger, promoting unhealthy eating habits. 6. Risks of excessive fiber intake. While fiber is crucial for health, too much fiber too quickly can cause discomfort, such as bloating, gas, and even nutrient deficiencies. It's important to increase fiber intake gradually and drink plenty of water to prevent digestive issues. For most adults, consuming more than 50 grams of fiber per day can interfere with nutrient absorption and lead to gastrointestinal problems. 7. Practical tips for increasing fiber intake. 1. Start slowly. Gradually increase fiber in your diet to give your digestive system time to adjust. 2. Drink water. Fiber works best when you drink plenty of fluids to help it move through the digestive system. 3. Incorporate fiber into snacks. Choose high-fiber snacks like fruits, vegetables, or nuts to boost your fiber intake throughout the day. 4. Opt for whole grains. Swap white bread, pasta, and rice for their whole grain counterparts. 5. Try fiber supplements. If necessary, fiber supplements like psyllium husk can help fill the gap, but whole foods are always preferable. 8. Conclusion: fiber truly is the unsung hero of the nutrition world. It supports your digestive health, keeps your heart healthy, helps regulate blood sugar, and can even lower your risk of cancer. However, most people aren't getting nearly enough fiber in their diets, which can lead to a host of health problems. By making simple changes, such as incorporating more whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes into your meals, you can dramatically improve your overall well-being. Remember, fiber is a key player in the quest for better health. Don't overlook it. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about ways to boost your health with simple yet powerful dietary changes, subscribe to our channel for more health tips and nutritional insights. Stay tuned for more expert advice on how to live your best, healthiest life.